Hello, garden lovers, and welcome back to the channel. If you dream of stepping into your garden and being greeted by the sweet perfume of flowers, then today's video is for you. We're talking about some of the most beautiful and highly fragrant peonies that can thrive in zones 2, 3, and 4. These cold-hardy perennials are famous for their enormous blooms, incredible longevity, and unforgettable fragrance. Many gardeners think that harsh winters limit their flower choices, but peonies prove otherwise. In fact, peonies actually need cold winters to bloom their best. Some peony plants can live for decades, even over 100 years, making them one of the most rewarding investments for any garden. Today we'll explore the most fragrant varieties, their bloom colors, bloom times, and why they deserve a place in your landscape. So grab a cup of tea, sit back, and let's discover the wonderful world of fragrant peonies. Why peonies are so special? Before we look at specific varieties, let's talk about why peonies are loved by gardeners around the world. Peonies are hardy perennials that return year after year with bigger and better displays. Once established, they require very little maintenance and can produce spectacular blooms every spring. Their flowers range from pure white and soft blush pink to deep crimson red and vibrant coral shades. But what truly sets certain peonies apart is their fragrance. Some smell like fresh roses. Others have hints of citrus, and some release a sweet perfume that can fill an entire garden. The best part is that many of the most fragrant peonies are also among the hardiest. Let's begin with one of the finest fragrant peonies ever introduced. Our first peony is Duchesse de Nemours. This classic heirloom variety has been cherished by gardeners for more than a century. Its flowers are creamy white with soft ivory tones and elegant double petals. But the real star of the show is the fragrance. Many gardeners describe it as a combination of roses, citrus, and sweet spring blossoms. On a warm morning, the scent can drift several feet through the garden. Duchesse de Nemours blooms in mid-season and performs exceptionally well in zones 2 through 8. The flowers make stunning cut arrangements and can brighten both gardens and indoor spaces. If you're looking for a peony that combines elegance, reliability, and fragrance, this variety should be at the top of your list. Next, we have perhaps the most famous peony in the world, Bernhardt. This beloved variety produces enormous double blooms in soft shades of pink. The flowers often measure several inches across and create a romantic cottage garden appearance. Bernhardt is also known for its wonderful fragrance. The scent is rich, sweet, and reminiscent of old-fashioned roses. This variety blooms later than many other peonies, helping extend the peony season in your garden. Hardy in zones 2 through 8, Bernhardt is a favorite among gardeners, florists, and flower enthusiasts alike. Its combination of beauty and perfume has made it one of the most planted peonies worldwide. Now let's talk about Festiva Maxima. This stunning white peony is impossible to ignore. The blooms are pure white with occasional crimson flecks scattered across the petals. These dramatic flowers stand out beautifully against dark green foliage. Festiva Maxima is also highly fragrant. Its scent is sweet, fresh, and unmistakably peony-like. Many gardeners consider it one of the best white peonies available. It blooms in the early to mid-season period, helping bridge the gap between the earliest and latest flowering varieties. Hardy, reliable, and incredibly beautiful, Festiva Maxima has remained a garden favorite for generations. For gardeners seeking truly powerful fragrance, Myrtle Gentry is worth considering. This variety produces large pink flowers with a soft, romantic appearance. But what makes Myrtle Gentry special is the intensity of its perfume. Many peony enthusiasts consider it one of the strongest scented peonies ever developed. The fragrance is rich, sweet, and noticeable from a surprising distance. When planted near patios, walkways, or garden seating areas, Myrtle Gentry can transform the entire space into a fragrant retreat. It grows well in zones 3 through 8 and rewards gardeners with spectacular blooms year after year. Another excellent choice is Edulis Superba. This historic peony variety has been delighting gardeners for well over a century. Its blooms are rose pink and densely packed with petals. The flowers create a lush, full appearance that many people associate with traditional peonies. The fragrance is strong and sweet, making it a favorite for cut flower gardens. Edulis Superba blooms early in the peony season, helping to start the floral display before many other varieties awaken. For gardeners in zones 2 through 8, it offers both reliability and exceptional fragrance. If white flowers are your passion, Bowl of Cream deserves a place in your garden. This award-winning peony produces massive creamy white blooms that almost resemble giant roses. The flowers are elegant, sophisticated, and highly fragrant. Its scent is sweet and pleasing without being overwhelming. Bowl of Cream blooms during the mid-season period and thrives in zones 3 through 8. Because of its large flowers and wonderful fragrance, it is frequently used in wedding bouquets and floral arrangements. Now let's add a splash of color. Kansas is famous for its brilliant rose-pink flowers. The blooms are vibrant, eye-catching, and stand out beautifully in the landscape. While its fragrance is not quite as strong as some of the varieties we've already discussed, it still offers a pleasant sweet scent. Kansas is especially valued for its reliability and weather resistance. Gardeners in colder climates often praise this variety for producing excellent flowers even after harsh winters. Hardy in zones 3 through 8, Kansas is a wonderful addition to mixed peony plantings. If your goal is maximum fragrance, consider planting several varieties that bloom at different times. Start with Edulis Superba for early blooms. Follow with Festiva Maxima and Duchesse de Nemours during mid-season. Then finish the season with Bernhardt and Myrtle Gentry. This simple strategy can provide weeks of fragrance and continuous color. Plant peonies in full sun whenever possible. Choose well-drained soil. Avoid planting the eyes or buds too deeply. Generally, the buds should sit only about 1 to 2 inches below the soil surface. Too much depth can reduce blooming. Once established, peonies are surprisingly drought-tolerant and require very little care. Peonies are among the most treasured flowers in the gardening world, and for good reason. They combine beauty, longevity, hardiness, and fragrance in a way few plants can match. For gardeners in zones 2, 3, and 4, varieties such as Duchesse de Nemours, Bernhardt, Festiva Maxima, Myrtle Gentry, and Edulis Superba offer years of spectacular blooms and unforgettable scent. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with fellow garden lovers. And let me know in the comments which fragrant peony is your favorite. Until next time, happy gardening, and may your garden always be filled with beautiful blooms and sweet fragrance.